atenção. Mina linda, perigosa, rouba meu coração. Vai quicando, vai jogando, não perde a razão. No batidão, só por atento.
Ela desce, ela sobe no baile. Mina linda, perigosa, rouba meu coração.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall and is for the WWE Women's Championship. It's the Archetype ready to make her long-awaited return.
I've been in her shoes before. You've had that long layoff, and now you're back in the spotlight. It's sink or swim time for the Archetype.
Let's be honest, I think the challenger is swimming against a strong current. Hell, even a riptide in the form of WWE Women's Champion, Jordynne Grace. This has the potential to go sideways real fast.
The Archetype claims she hasn't missed a beat. It's time to find out if that's true.
The WWE Women's Champion, Jordynne Grace, is here.
All measurables aside, there's one intangible that Grace has that the Archetype does not. Paul Heyman.
You can't put a value on what Paul Heyman brings to the table. I'd be surprised if Jordynne will need any help here tonight. But if she gets caught off guard, she has that fail-safe. The Archetype has no answer for that.
Let's see if the champion will send the Archetype back where they came from.
Introducing the challenger from New York, the Archetype. And her opponent from...
Taking one final look at the title. WWE Universe anxiously awaiting the sound of the bell. Should be a hell of a match.
Here we go, it's the Raw after WrestleMania, and our WWE Women's Champion is wasting no time in facing their next challenge in the Archetype.
This is a match we thought we would never see, let alone witness just one night after the showcase of the Immortals.
Credit to Paul Heyman's client, Jordynne Grace. She doesn't dodge any challenge. She just better hope that doesn't catch up to her tonight. gets out and goes on the offense with a hammerlock.
Nice way to get out of that. Now locks in a hold.
Raw is where everyone on the roster dreamed of being the first time they stepped into a ring.
This is the payoff for all the hard work. Grace denies the attack. Oh, look at this, the schoolgirl! And she gets the shoulders up.
She's still too fresh, ready for much more.
Oh, gut wrencher, face buster, and then a kip up.
What's coming next?
A back suplex.
Nice calf kick, great elevation.
And she reversed it.
Both sides with an answer to every piece of offense.
Holy! That will fracture a neck!
Clothesline. After clothesline. After clothesline. After clothesline. Big clothesline.
Jordynne is focused on finishing this.
Oh, right forearm to the neck.
Followed up with the pin attempt.
Denying a 2 count there.
Oh, this one's still going.
Paul Heyman's client, Jordynne Grace, is defending her WWE Women's Championship against the returning Archetype in a showdown worthy of next year's WrestleMania. Right now on Raw.
Oh, round and around we go. Tilt-a-whirl head scissors. This is what we mean when we talk about fighting spirit. Things are about to hit another gear here.
Grace exposed here.
Spanish fly.
Giving her opponent a piece of her mind here.
Wards that off. What a response. And saw what was coming and delivered a backdrop.
Great ducking and dodging there.
Oh. Beautiful reverse STO. Face first.
Looking to get airborne here.
She's fired up. She's ready.
Look out. And no one there. Oh, and that surprises Jordynne. And back into the ring she goes.
Nice calf kick. Great elevation.
Immense pressure being kept on Jordynne.
Going for the pin. Title of the line.
Deep into this one, and somehow Jordynne's able to kick out before a count.
Well, she thought she saw a chance to gain the fall, but obviously was mistaken.
Breaker.
Some well-timed defense on her part. The back getting broken in half. Oh, a boot to the back.
Grace was waiting for that.
She gets taken into the corner. Needs to get out.
Buster!
The champion doing everything to retain here.
Still only got one.
Stubborn as ever, she refuses to stay down.
Kick gets caught.
Great agility.
Standing shooting star press. Incredible.
We may be moments away from Grace's demise.
And I think we just might see. Impactful slam.
That might have just sealed the deal on us having a new champ.
You still think the Archetype is swimming upstream, Wade?
She looks great, but she better stay focused here.
Jordynne's recovered.
Inverted tilt-a-whirl slam from the champion.
Like I was saying.
And here comes a running clothesline from Grace.
And the Archetype may be hurt.
This could be it.
Juggernaut drop.
This is over.
Jordynne Grace has successfully defended her WWE Women's Championship, turning back the Archetype with relative ease.
This was not the comeback the Archetype had hoped for, to say the least. And now, she's going to be asking herself a lot of hard questions.
Now what?
Jordynne Grace just put an exclamation point on her WrestleMania weekend.
Well, if it wasn't clear already, it's officially a new era in WWE. The Archetype is a thing of the past, and Jordynne Grace reigns supreme.
I'm not sure how the Archetype is going to regroup from this.
She might not regroup at all.